So I have a check engine light on my Mercedes Benz ML350, and I'm scanning for codes right now. I'm getting two codes, P0356 as well as P0306. So only cylinder 6 is acting funny right now. So I'm going to go underneath the hood and start troubleshooting, and hopefully it will be an easy fix. So I'm underneath my hood of the ML350, and to get to our coil packs, I'm going to remove the engine cover as well as the air inlets. And then to remove this, we are first going to pull out this hose, and then I'm going to lift from here and it'll lift right up. And then I'm just going to grab it and pull it right out. And while lifting this out, you want to be very careful, because right here is our mass airflow filter housing that connects right there, and you do not want to damage this gasket. And now we can see our engine. So here's our coil packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to change the 6th cylinder coil pack because I'm getting a code which is showing that the 6th cylinder coil pack is bad. And to remove this, you're going to be removing 2 screws. There's one here and one down there, and they're both T30. Once you unscrew them, you're going to disconnect the wire and the coil pack will come right out. And then the coil pack might be stuck, so just give it a good wiggle and pull it at the same time. Just like that. And then disconnect the wiring and your coil pack comes right out. So here's my replacement refurbished coil pack. It works, it's been tested. And to reinstall, just reconnect the wiring and then install the 2 screws. So push it into place. Once it's fully aligned in, you're going to align the screw holes and reinstall the 2 screws. I have my replacement coil pack installed, and now I'm going to reinstall the engine covers, the air inlets, close the hood, and then go back into my vehicle, reset the check engine light, and then take it for a test drive, and hopefully that will resolve my issue. I've driven my ML350 for the past few days. I've put about 600 miles on it and it's been driving excellent. There's no more check engine light, no more misfiring. The problem has been resolved, and it was a quick, cheap, and easy fix. It was just the coil pack. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy DIY video on how to possibly fix your Mercedes Benz. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.